Assalamualaikum everyone. In today PEIK unit, we have done the work in Threadbook 12 and the pages were page number 32, 34 and 35. So let me tell you what we have to do in page number 32. Complete the shape sequence and color them in. As you can see the first one, we have to do it in the sequence wise. And now let's come to the first one. Okay, first shape is circle, then it's triangle, then it's square. Okay, we have to draw it like we have to complete this sequence wise. So for what's the first shape? It's circle. So we will going to draw a circle over here. Then what's the second shape? It's triangle. Then what's the third one shape? It's square like this. Same with all the shapes. Fine. Now let's come to the next page, which is okay. In next slide, I am going to explain you what is transportation. Okay, transportation means where any vehicle can move from one place to another. And we are having three types of transportation. Air. First, let's come to air. Okay, air. And in air, we are having helicopter, plane, air balloon and shuttle where we can easily travel through air. Fine. Now let's come to the second one, which is water transportation. We can travel through water as well, like boat, pirate ship, submarine. Submarine means under the water, and cargo ship and ship as well. Now let's come to the third one, which is land transportation. Land transportation means we can easily travel through road. Fine. Like car, truck, van, bicycle and bus. Now let's come to the main point, which is our page number 34. See, it's about transportation, which I have explained you there. Find and connect each vehicle to the correct category, and the first vehicle is taxi. Okay, where should I connect taxi with? With air, water or land? Taxi moves in air, water or land? It moves in land. Fine, so you have to match it with the land. Now let's come to the second one, which is boat. Where boat travel? It travels through air, water or land? Through water. Very nice. Now let's come to the third one, which is airplane. Okay, airplane travels through air, water or land? Air, yes. So you all have to do it like this. You have to match the vehicles with their correct categories. Now let's come to the next page, which is page number 35. Tick the bigger container, color with contents to show full or half full. Okay, first we have to take the bigger container. Let me take the bigger container first. Here is the bigger container. I have taken it. Okay, I am going to tell you one other part. You will going to do it by yourself. Fine. So now let's come to the next one, which is color with contents to show full or half full. Okay, we have to do color also. Like this mug is full, so I am going to color this full like this. I am going to do yellow color in this. See, it's full. It's full. Now let's come to the half one. Half full like this. We have to do half color like this. Got it everyone? Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.